today we're going to try to use the Millwright hand grinder, right? Yesterday the flow was a bit too fast, so I will try to reduce the number of clicks on the Millwright hand grinder. From 20, I'm going to reduce it down to maybe 18, and we'll try to see with I'm still not going to use the flow control because I'm still not very familiar. We need more time to fiddle with it, so I'll just be using to change the variable on the grind size and to see how it affects the extraction rate. Right, so right now, yesterday it was at 20, so today, right, I'm going to adjust to 18, which is doing clockwise by 2 clicks. Right, so that's already 18, so you can see it's pretty easy. Right, again, using 18 grams of beans. Okay, exactly 18 grams. By the way, if you are first time joining us, this is CY. My channel is all about having fun making coffee with different equipment and different apparatus, different tools. Right. So recently, I've been playing with the Millwright hand grinder a lot. Right, because we are carrying this brand of hand grinder to Singapore. So if you're interested, do visit my website if you're interested to get one of this. Okay, so let's I think it's a pretty good morning workout if you're not in a hurry. Right, I personally really like the uniform grind size from the Millwright hand grinder, and it has been really quite easy to grind. Right, you can see that it chews the bean relatively easy. Okay, it's done. Right, okay, so it's 18.1 grams, which is exactly what I've weighed just now, about 18.1. So let's warm up the right, I'll be using the double spout portafilter. Right, let's warm up the good head. As you can see, I open my flow control to the maximum. Right, let's distribute. And have a good time. Right, flash. Okay, let's see how it goes this time. This is 18 clicks from the Centenny hand grinder. Right, I think it's a bit too high for this, so I will just be using my timer, right, and I will be eyeballing this. Okay, so let's do it. Let's bring it closer. Right, the flow looks good. Maybe I should adjust the clicks from 18 to 19. It seems to be flowing slightly slow, but I think should be okay, right? I will not be doing the second dialing in, right? Because normally in the morning I do not have time for that. So I think 19 clicks will be the sweet spot for the quick mill machine, right? Somehow the quick mill machine setting on the grind size and the Breville Barista Pro is slightly different, right? Breville is more forgiving on a coarser grind size, whereas when I try to dial in the beans on the quick mill, right, I need at least 6 clicks finer on the Millwright hand grinder for the quick mill Rubino. So that's something to take note. I'm not too sure whether this is common to the E61 or anyone who owns the Breville Barista Pro as well as any E61 machine. Maybe you can share with me your experience with the grind size. Is there a difference in grind size? Right, for me personally, I feel that there is, because previously when I tried to grind, when I tried to dial in the coffee beans on both machines using the same setting with the same electrical grinder, I realized that I can pull a pretty good shots when the setting is right on the Breville, but if I use the same setting on the quick mill, it just doesn't work. You'll flow too fast, right? So definitely there's some changes in the setting for both machine, right? You really have to learn how to dial in the machine to know your machine well, so that you know what to adjust. Let's say when you are playing with different machines. Right, let's steam some milk. Okay, let's quickly wipe it down. And purge. I try to keep my station clean and dry as much as possible. Alright, so let's make some latte. The shot is pretty good, and the milk I frothed this morning is also quite nice. So you can see the latte art looks pretty okay, right? It's not fantastic, but I think it's good for the morning, right? So thank you for joining us this morning when I try to again try to dial in the coffee beans with the Millwright hand grinder from St. Anthony Industry. It is so far a very great addition to my grinders, right? And if you are looking for one hand grinder to replace your burr grinder, right, definitely you should consider the Millwright hand grinder from St. Anthony Industry. Right, okay, thank you for joining me today, and do consider subscribing to my channel if you are new to my channels. And if you like my video, please do like my videos and share it among your friends. And have a good day ahead. I'll see you very soon.